A pedicure every couple of weeks can be the difference between healthy and sexy feet. First, clean, clip, and shape your nails carefully according to your preference. Apply some cuticle gel to make your nail bed supple. Soak your feet in a tub of warm water and foot soak for a few minutes to soften calluses and cleanse feet. Then take a cuticle pusher to push the cuticles near the nail bed and then carefully trim all the overgrown cuticles. Now using a foot scrub and a pumice stone, gently scrub away dead skin cells and calluses. Focus on areas like heels, balls of the feet and sides. Rinse off the scrub and pat your feet dry. Follow up with a generous amount of foot lotion on your feet and lower legs to hydrate and nourish them. Wash your feet thoroughly every single day and night, as unclean feet have the day's accumulated dirt and bacteria on them. So clean your feet and toes and then work them over with some moisturizer. Don't forget the areas in between your toes and around the ankles, as they tend to get very dry. Sleep with your socks on to soak in the moisture to make your feet soft and ankles supple by the next morning. Leaving your feet exposed without any sunscreen can cause damage, warts and lesions on the feet that can be extremely painful to deal with. You should apply sweat-proof sunscreen 30 minutes before you head out the door, and you won't have to worry about getting your feet sticky or damaged. If you are dealing with smelly feet, spray a bit of dry shampoo on your feet before wearing your shoes. This helps keep your feet sweat-free, dry and fresh through the day. Now that your feet feel and look amazing, the only thing that's remaining is to bring out your best footwear and flaunt your pretty feet and nails. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.